In this video, I'll show you how to fix the Rockstar Games Launcher when it's stuck on the loading screen. If this guide helps you out, make sure to subscribe to the channel and leave a like on the video. If you're trying to launch your game but keep getting stuck on the endlessly spinning Rockstar logo, it can be extremely frustrating. In most cases, this issue is caused by corrupted cache files or background processes that prevent the launcher from connecting properly to Rockstar's servers. Let's go through the fixes step by step. First, we need to completely close any Rockstar-related processes that may still be running in the background. Press Ctrl plus Shift plus ESC on your keyboard to open Task Manager. Look for any processes named Rockstar Games Launcher, Rockstar Service, or Social Club Helper. Right-click each one and select End Task. Once you've closed all Rockstar processes, the next step is to make sure Windows isn't restricting the launcher. Locate the Rockstar Games Launcher shortcut on your desktop, right-click it, and select Properties. Open the Compatibility tab, then under the Settings section, check Run this program as an administrator. Click Apply, then OK. If the launcher is still stuck on the loading screen, the issue may be caused by corrupted profile files. Open File Explorer and navigate to your Documents folder. Open the Rockstar Games folder, then go to Social Club. Inside, locate the Profiles folder, right-click it, and select Delete. Don't worry, the launcher will automatically create a fresh version of this folder the next time it starts. Another fix is to flush your Windows DNS cache. Open the Start menu, type CMD, then right-click, Command Prompt, and select Run as Administrator. In the Command Prompt window, type the following command and press Enter. ipconfig flush DNS. Once the process is complete, restart the Rockstar Games Launcher and check if the issue has been resolved. That's it. Your Rockstar Games Launcher should now load normally without getting stuck on the loading screen. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and leave a like on the video. Thanks for watching.